Aquarius Engines. Aquarius Engines is driving the future of power generation for a world transitioning to electric mobility and sustainable energy. As the demand for faster and more reliable EV charging continues to skyrocket, the pressure on existing AC electrical networks intensifies. These networks, constrained by the massive capital investments required for upgrades and struggle to keep pace with evolving needs. At Aquarius Engines, our mission is to revolutionize rapid EV charging. We offer innovative, grid-independent power solutions designed to charge a greater number of vehicles in a shorter time, reduce costs, and enhance operational efficiency. Our unique solutions are designed to seamlessly integrate with existing systems, ensuring minimal disruption while delivering maximum efficiency. They allow charging point operators, CPOs, and EV fleet owners to charge up to 3 times more vehicles at a given time, cutting down on congestion and wait times and maximizing profitability, right? Charging point operators, CPOs, EV fleet owners. Company core values: Aquarius Engines delivers compact, scalable, and green power systems that are easy to deploy in both urban and remote areas. With a focus on reducing emissions and maximizing fuel efficiency, our solutions align with global sustainability goals while providing reliable, continuous power where it's needed most. Our solutions: lightweight and compact, silent, efficient, green fuel operation, AI and real-time adaptive management system. As the demand for faster and more reliable EV charging continues to skyrocket, the pressure on existing AC electrical networks intensifies. These networks, constrained by the massive capital investments required for upgrades and struggle to keep pace with the evolving needs, right? Aquarius Engines, power solutions, EV charging solutions, backup power for data centers. Okay, let's check this out. Resilient, scalable power solutions for modern data centers. As AI technologies, cloud computing, and digital services expand at an unprecedented pace, modern data centers face growing energy challenges. From small edge facilities to massive hyperscale sites, reliable, efficient, and scalable backup power is critical to maintaining uninterrupted operations. Aquarius Engines AQ150 gensets deliver a cutting-edge power solution, optimizing energy use, minimizing costs, and ensuring maximum operational flexibility for data centers of all sizes. Why choose AQ150 for data center backup power? A rapid expansion of data centers requires power solutions that are as advanced and dynamic as the infrastructure they support. The AQ150 gensets offer a modern alternative to traditional power systems, providing unmatched flexibility, scalability, and efficiency. Designed for seamless integration, they ensure uninterrupted operations during power fluctuations, peak loads, or outages, while optimizing costs and space to meet the evolving needs of AI and digital-driven facilities, right? Outages, peak loads, fluctuations, core benefits. Scalable redundancy, modular N+1 and 2N+1 configurations ensure continuous operations addressing power failures seamlessly. So N+1 to N+1. Cost and space efficiency. Compact and lightweight design reduces infrastructure costs and physical footprint, ideal for space-constrained environments. Optimized load management. Efficient operation during fluctuating power demands ensures fuel efficiency while meeting peak loads with hybrid configurations. Thermal and operational resilience. Distributed smaller gensets prevent overheating and enable maintenance without power interruptions, improving overall system reliability. Redefining power for data centers. From edge computing to hyperscale facilities, the AQ150 gensets redefine power management for modern data centers, with fuel flexibility supporting hydrogen, LPG, and CNG, compact design, and modular scalability. The AQ150 delivers unparalleled performance and reliability, meeting the evolving energy demands of AI-driven infrastructure. Really? Telecommunication solutions. Aquarius Engines energy generation, right? Aquarius Engines energy generation. Discover the future of generators. Generators redefined. For over 100 years, generators haven't changed. Bulky, noisy, polluting, and of course, maintenance heavy. Maintenance heavy, right? They gotta be hyphen between maintenance heavy. Well, maybe not. Soon, these will all be part of a distant past, as Aquarius Engines is redefining the generator. From our proprietary two-sided free-piston linear engine, through our groundbreaking efficient design, to our incredibly smaller size, our long maintenance cycle, and our sustainable operation, Aquarius Engines is radically changing the way generators operate and are used. The Aquarius generator is developed and built to meet the requirements of tomorrow's power demands, such as availability, reliability, redundancy, remote control, and cost efficiency. Okay, let's check out their videos.
Aquarius Engines presents a revolution in power generators. The standard 16 kilowatt generator requires costly, continuous maintenance, and it's also big, bulky, and heavy.
Right.
This, on the other hand, is the future. Aquarius 16 kilowatt generator is small, lightweight, and nearly maintenance-free.
Really?
How does it work? Aquarius's generator was developed using the company's innovative linear engine technology. The linear engine is an extremely efficient energy converter that converts petrol or gas to electricity. Unlike a standard engine which has dozens of moving parts, Aquarius's oil-free linear engine has only one. This results in a simplified, highly efficient, low-cost engine that weighs just 10.5 kilograms. Using this engine, the Aquarius generator can serve a wide variety of needs. The generator can power and illuminate remote sites, places with limited power grid access, and confined spaces, including islands, rural villages, communication centers, mines, and numerous other locations. Aquarius also has a modular, remotely controlled solution for large complex facilities, such as hospitals or military bases. This solution includes a smart modular energy monitoring system. In addition, can serve as an onboard generator to extend range and reduce battery size for powertrains on electric and hybrid vehicles, boats, drones, heavy-duty powertrains, and more. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the age of Aquarius.